This is a nature film. Oh. Turns out it's not very good. I meant to film my cats and the pollination of bees. The static electricity made my hair go fly up. Now film towards the pool. Let's find some cats to film. And if not, so there aren't any, so if not, we will film the bees. Hopefully they are still here and still pollinating our wonderful garden. What? I hear one. I need to get a shot of one close to me. I hear hundreds. Oh, sorry. Whoop. I hope those are just bumblebees. What? Nature film. You got me on film? Shh. It's embarrassing because you're interrupting me. Have you ever watched like History Channel and then all of a sudden you hear, you got that? You got what you doing? What you doing? Seriously, not kidding. I'm trying to film the bees. I got a good shot of them pollinating. I know. You're still talking. Okay, you just talked when you said that. Seriously, you have to. Where is it? Which flower is it in? There's like hundreds of flowers. Oh, there's one. Come back here, bee. I'm sorry. Very sorry. I guess. Do you see anything? Gotcha. You little kitten. Seriously? I'm saying that a lot, aren't I? Well, let's go run around the place. See if we can find a cat to film. The bee pollination was good, but there was a couple disasters. A pile of leaves. More flowers. Let's see if anybody's pollinating them. I see someone. Oh, they just left. There's lots of flowers, but the best ones are where the bees go, and that's over there. This is the closest I can go. I can't really. Oh well. Yeah, that became boring very, very fast since I wasn't talking. My talking really gets the stuff. So, there's lots of bees out. I never gotten stung by a bee, surprising since I get like so darn close to them. But I say I'm rather gentle by them, so I'm not like scared of them because I'm not allergic and I won't go to the hospital and looking like a balloon or it's about to pop. If I get stung. Sorry, talking fast. Drooling too. Why did I tell you that? Oh, and one of Earth's most magnificent creatures. I do not want to open the gate, so I'm just going to climb over it. If I drop you, it's okay. You usually don't break that easily. Did I ever mention I had arachnophobia? Yeah, this is gonna be very hard with one and only one hand. With the other busy holding an electronic device that weighs like 100 pounds. I'm trying to catch a glimpse of one of those most magnificent creatures. Oh my gosh, it's climbing over the fence. Why did I just do that? There was a lock right there that was easy to unlock without a key. I don't know, but I guess it would have been just funny. The most magnificent horse on earth, or creature, is the horse. Most magnificent creature is the horse. Most magnificent horse is the one that is right now pooping. I better look away. Okay, she's done now. Oh, hello. Hi there. What's that? Oh, sweat. You look pretty today, except for the fact that you have flies hanging around you. Got long hair. Gonna need a haircut. Oh, let me have you. I can't really see. There we go. There we go. You have long hair. Long, pretty hair. You look like Violet. It's a movie. You haven't seen it. It's in The Incredibles. Had the hair over the head. Yeah. Oh, okay. Don't step on my foot. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So instead of a magnificent cat, we have the magnificent horse. I wonder why that thing's on you. You look like Kim the cow. I mean Fern. She's my milk cow, but she doesn't live on this farm. She lives in Orange Springs with Mike. You'll meet him later if you get a chance. But I'm going to... I understand that you love me, but I right now have something very important to do. Climb over the fence without any intention and not fall. And you think you can rescue me if I fall? It looks like more you want to step on me, but that's alright. After all, you're a horse, but you're still very smart. Horses are one of the smartest animals on earth. If you didn't know that, well, of course everybody knows that elephants and dolphins are, but horses are too. And so are pigs, surprisingly. They look like dumb bacon.